Greetings, and welcome to the About My Brain Institute podcast, exploring the enchanting realm of the goddesses of the world oracle cards. In this episode, join us as we delve into the fascinating world of Goddess Anat, renowned as the Ancient Canaanite Goddess of strength, passion, and fierce determination. Part 1. Significance of Goddess Anat. What does Anat represent in mythology? Goddess Anat holds immense significance in Canaanite mythology as a powerful and multifaceted deity who embodies various aspects of feminine energy. She represents the archetypal traits of strength, passion, and fierce determination. Anat is revered as a goddess of war and protection, embodying the spirit of the warrior and championing justice and victory. She is also associated with fertility, love, and sensuality, symbolizing the vitality and life-giving aspects of the feminine. Anat's presence in Canaanite mythology represents the acknowledgement and reverence for the dynamic nature of womanhood, encompassing both the nurturing and protective qualities as well as the strength and assertiveness. She serves as an inspiration for individuals seeking empowerment, encouraging them to embrace their inner strength, passions, and the ability to overcome obstacles. Anat's significance extends beyond the mythological realm, resonating with the eternal power and resilience inherent in the divine feminine. Part 2. Archetypal qualities of Anat. The radiant warrior, unveiling the archetypal power of Goddess Anat. As the archetype of the warrior goddess, Anat personifies strength, courage, and assertiveness. She represents the transformative power of fierce determination and the unwavering pursuit of justice. Anat's archetype also encompasses the nurturing aspects of the feminine, as she is associated with fertility, love, and sensuality. Her multifaceted nature embodies the embodiment of feminine energy, combining passion, vitality, and protective instincts. Anat serves as an inspiration for individuals to embrace their own inner strength, assertiveness, and passions while upholding principles of justice and empowerment. She represents the embodiment of a balanced and empowered feminine archetype, reminding us of the harmonious integration of power, love, and determination within ourselves. Part 3. Symbols associated with Goddess Anat. Anat unveiled, decoding the symbols of the fierce Canaanite goddess. Goddess Anat is associated with several symbols, plants, animals, and colors that hold deep significance. Anat is often depicted carrying a shield, a spear, or a sword, symbolizing her role as a fierce warrior goddess. The lion, known for its strength and courage, is closely associated with Anat, reflecting her power and dominion over the animal kingdom. In terms of plants, the cypress and the myrtle are commonly linked to Anat, representing fertility, vitality, and eternal life. The color red, with its vibrant and passionate energy, is often attributed to Anat, symbolizing her fiery nature and the force of her determination. These symbols, plants, animals, and colors associated with Anat collectively embody her fierce and protective qualities, reflecting her role as a formidable goddess of war, love, and vitality. Part 4. The story of Goddess Anat. From awe to admiration, Anat's legendary battle for peace and prosperity. In the ancient land of Canaan, a goddess named Anat reigned with unparalleled might and majesty. Revered as the Queen of Heaven, she embodied the essence of passion, courage, and divine grace. Anat's very presence instilled a sense of awe and assurance among her people, for she fearlessly safeguarded them from all perils that dared to arise. Clad in gleaming armor and wielding a mighty spear, she symbolized indomitable spirit and unwavering determination, a beacon of strength and protection in the face of adversity. One day, a great darkness descended upon the land. A fearsome dragon, fueled by chaos and destruction, ravaged the peaceful villages and instilled fear in the hearts of the people. Anat could not bear to see her beloved land suffer, and she vowed to put an end to the dragon's reign. With fiery determination, Anat embarked on a perilous journey to confront the dragon. She faced treacherous mountains, traversed ancient forests, and crossed turbulent rivers, never wavering in her quest. Along the way, she encountered challenges and obstacles, testing her resolve and strength. Yet, Anat pressed on, fueled by her unwavering passion and the desire to restore harmony and peace to her land. After days of arduous travel, Anat finally reached the dragon's lair. A fierce battle ensued, with thunderous clashes and swirling winds. Anat fought with unmatched skill and ferocity, unleashing her divine powers upon the dragon. With each strike of her spear, she channeled her passion and determination, refusing to relent until victory was achieved. In a climactic final blow, Anat pierced the heart of the dragon, vanquishing the darkness and freeing the land from its grip. As the dragon's life force dissipated, a radiant light filled the sky, and the people rejoiced at the return of peace and prosperity. Anat's triumph became a legend, passed down through generations. She became a symbol of unwavering determination, passion, and the strength to overcome any adversity. The people honored her with rituals and celebrations, offering their gratitude for her bravery and protection. To this day, the spirit of Anat lives on, inspiring individuals to embrace their inner fire and pursue their passions fearlessly. Her story serves as a timeless reminder that within each of us lies the power to overcome challenges, embody courage, and create positive change in our lives and the world. Part 5. 3. Strategies for personal transformation, tapping into the power of the Anat archetype. Strategy 1. Channeling passion and focus. Draw inspiration from Anat's fierce determination by cultivating passion and focus in your pursuits. Practice mindfulness meditation, which has been scientifically proven to enhance focus and cognitive function. By training your brain to sustain attention and redirect distractions, you sharpen your ability to channel your energy and passion into your goals. Additionally, engage in activities that ignite your passion, such as creative endeavors or pursuing hobbies. This triggers the release of dopamine, which boosts motivation and helps you stay committed to your personal transformation journey. Strategy 2. Balancing mind and body. Prioritize the integration of mind and body in your personal transformation. Engage in practices such as yoga, tai chi, or qigong that harmonize movement, breath, and mindfulness. By cultivating mind-body awareness and balance, you tap into Anat's archetype of holistic empowerment, nurturing a harmonious relationship between your physical and mental well-being. Strategy 3. Cultivating fearlessness. Engage in practices that help you overcome fears and limitations. You may want to explore hypnosis, breathwork, or emotional freedom techniques to gradually confront and desensitize yourself to fears and anxieties. Part 6. Why it is important to undertake a ritual or visualization. Neuroscience teaches us about the plasticity of our brains, emphasizing the impact of focused intention and repetitive practice on reshaping neural pathways. Moreover, quantum physics suggests that at the fundamental level, everything is composed of vibrating energy, fields interconnected in a vast web of potentiality. By engaging in rituals and visualizations, we enter a state of focused intention and coherence, enabling us to connect with the quantum realm and interact with the subtle energies linked to these goddess archetypes. By combining the ancient wisdom of goddess mythology with modern scientific knowledge, we tap into our own transformative power, fostering harmony among our mind, body, and spirit. Ritual steps. 1. Cleanse the sacred space and set up a small altar. Light incense to purify the space and awaken the senses. 2. Stand before the altar and take a few deep breaths to center yourself. Close your eyes and enter a meditative state. Visualize Anat's radiant presence before you, her strength and passion emanating from her being. 3. Speak aloud or silently recite a prayer or affirmation, expressing your personal intentions and desires. 4. Offer a final expression of gratitude to Anat for her presence and the blessings she bestows upon you. Thank her for her unwavering protection, strength, and guidance in your life's journey. Reflect on the connection you have established and the transformative potential it holds. A final message. Words of wisdom from Anat. Let your fierce determination be the force that transforms dreams into reality and turns obstacles into stepping stones. Thanks for tuning in. This podcast was brought to you by the About My Brain Institute. For all the freshest updates and exclusive content, make sure to subscribe to our newsletter and give us a follow on our social channels. Until next time, keep those neurons firing.